So here I got a brand new Hyundai door handle. This is the other part with the old painting. Here is the new one. I already did put a bolt in it, so it will be easier for me to paint it. You can turn it, depends which side you need. I already have done sanding with a P1000 paper. Here I got a black acrylic paint can. It would be better if I got a primer on it, but as I was at home, I did have only sanding paper and a paint can. I suggest you to use gloves so you don't have to clean your hands from paint. Okay, here we start. First coat is tiny, few sprays just to get some color on it. In a video you may not see that there is still visible manufacturer's painting, but there is, and that's how it should be at the first coat. So color does not match perfectly, but that's because I just took the paint I got. 5 minutes to dry door handle time, and we are going for the second coat. Will be thicker than the first one because we already have something on where it will stick. To see it's a black matte color, but it shines because there is a lot of paint on it. After the second coat you have to wait about 10 minutes to dry it, and then you can paint the third coat. So I turn on the light to show you how it looks the second coat. You see everything is shiny. It will dry up and you can keep the third coat. That will make that shine a little bit to disappear, and that's what I will need, because the original of it, it doesn't shine like that. It has dried already, so we are ready for the third and the last coat. It should be about same as first coat. So let it dry for a few hours, and that's the way you can paint your car door handles at home.